Hi, my name is Jared Levin, and this is my video on hydrophilic and hydrophobic substances. In this video, I will be going over what each means. I will give some examples of each, and etc. So, to begin, we'll start with hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means having a tendency to mix with, dissolve in, or be wetted by water. Molecules are hydrophilic when they have changes or particle when they have charges or particle charges. These types of molecules are called polar. Water itself is a polar molecule. It is made up of one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms bonded together with covalent bonds. Covalent bonds are a type of bond that occurs when two atoms share electrons. Some examples of things that are hydrophilic molecules are salt, sugar, amino acids, and bleach. There are many more, but these are just a few examples that we see every day. We use salt as an example first. When salt mixes with water, it dissolves because the covalent bonds in water are much stronger than the ionic bonds in salt, so therefore it causes it to dissolve. Now, moving on to hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means tending to repel or failing to mix with water. For an example, cell membranes are made of macromolecules known as phospholipids. Phospholipids have phosphorus atoms in the heads of the molecules, which attract water. But the tail of the molecule is made of lipids, which are hydrophobic molecules, so they repel water. They don't mix well with it. Now, examples of things that are hydrophobic, things that do not mix with water that we see every day. We have oil, we have alkanes, fats, and we have grease. So stuff that we see every day. Hydrophobic molecules are non-polar, and water is polar, so they don't go together. This means that the atoms that make up the molecule do not produce a static electric field. When you mix oil and water, oil stays at the top. It doesn't sink, doesn't mix with the water, just stays at the top. This is because the oil does not have a polar molecule. It is more balanced, and water is also more dense than oil. So, giving these examples and telling you what they mean each, I hope you have a better understanding of what hydrophilic and hydrophobic mean. Hope you can use this knowledge to help you learn in the future. Thank you.